Hey guys, I'm Jordan with Seeds of Change, and today we're going to be talking about the winterization process. And first we're going to talk about why we winterize, and then we'll get into how. Winter is around the corner, and what that means is the odds of pipes freezing and fracturing due to the water expanding that's still in the lines goes way up. So with the winterization process, what we'll do is we'll come with a compressor, hook up to your system, and we'll blow all the lines out so that way when we come back in the spring, we can get the system started up and get all of that taken care of without fractures on the line and leaks and damage to the heads. If you discover a leak anywhere on your system before we get out to winterize, I'm going to show you what to do in order to shut your water off without shutting the main water off of your house. So if you come out to your house, 9 times out of 10, you'll find an irrigation shutoff valve that looks like this little box right here. This is a 6-inch, sometimes it may be a 10-inch, which is a little bit bigger, but it'll be green. And what you can do is there's a little valve in here. I don't know if you can see it, but you can shut that valve off and that will cut off everything to the system and you'll be in good shape. Hey y'all, we're here at the backflow and I'm going to show you what you can do if we're going to be having freezing temperatures before we get a chance to come out here and winterize. So this is pretty straightforward. What you can do is you can take a blanket, piece of insulation, towel, anything that will keep this thing from being exposed to the cold temperatures. When you wrap it, make sure that this vent right here is exposed. Now, this is what I normally do is I take some tape here if I can find the end of it. Wrap it over here on this side. And just make sure that vent is exposed and you're in good shape here. The main thing that we're trying to keep from freezing is the backflow since it's a very expensive piece. Backflow itself is the brass piece. PVC we can come out and fix if it breaks, but it won't be costing you all a lot of money. If you don't have anyone scheduled to come out and take care of the winterization process, we'd be more than happy to. You can give us a call anytime, and if you have any other questions, you can give us a call as well.